सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
When life gets messy, you don't want the mess to go everywhere. Luckily, there's Autowater, the first user-friendly faucet adapter that transforms a normal tap into an automatic one. Our smart home sensor technology fits a wide range of faucets and can adjust the angle of water flow. It's perfect for quick uses or for those longer jobs. It's even built with an LED light for late night. It's long-lasting too. One charge lasts for 12 months. It's highly water-resistant to protect the smart sensors, so you can use it again and again and again. And best of all, Autowater is water-saving and environmentally conscious to help you save money and create good habits. Enjoy the convenience of automatic faucets in your own home. Autowater.
Hey girls. Remember the ones without the pebbles? All right, let's go, girls.
Introducing Bee. Bee is pioneering a whole new category of toothbrush that has the performance of an electric toothbrush, combined with all of the benefits of a manual toothbrush. Imagine never having to deal with charging, messy cables, adapters, and batteries, but still get that diamond clean that you and your dentist have grown to love. Today, people are carrying around more electronic devices than ever before in history, and unfortunately, these devices come with enormous baggage. Did you know that 15 billion batteries are sold every year and that 87% end up in landfills, 12% get incinerated, and only 1% of them actually get recycled? A good majority of these batteries go into items for personal care, and 7.3 billion people generate a lot of waste. So we started to ask ourselves, is there another way? 2.5 years later, we can finally say there is. Our patented Bee Clean technology makes it possible to transform the energy from a simple twist into over 80,000 tartar-fighting brushstrokes. No batteries, cables, adapters, or chargers are required. If you love to travel, enjoy the great outdoors, always on the go for business, or want to make your home more eco-friendly, look no further. This toothbrush was made just for you. Bee empowers you to enjoy the best dental hygiene no matter where you are in the world, regardless of the grid. Our mission is to deliver a toothbrush equivalent or better than your electric toothbrush and free you from needing electricity, batteries, cables, or adapters when it comes to your dental routine. Plus, every Bee comes with a snap-on travel case to keep your brush safe and clean. It also comes with a 1-year supply of 100% biodegradable refills. It has taken the past 2.5 years and dozens of prototypes along the way to develop our patented Bee Clean technology. We've pushed the boundaries to bring you a breakthrough in powered sustainable brushing, and now we need your help to make this technology a reality. This is your chance to go beyond electric and pledge for an opportunity to be among the first to experience brushing with Bee.
Today, most of us spend too much time indoors and glued to one screen or another. The result is a growing population with poor or degrading eyesight. more children are suffering from nearsightedness than ever before, impacting their happiness and their ability to learn. Now, there's an easy, fun way for you to take control of your family's vision health. With EyeQue Insight, you can test visual acuity, or how close to 20/20 your vision is, anywhere, anytime. Rather than waiting for an annual exam or your child's next school screening, you can test your family's eyes and monitor vision changes in real time from the comfort and convenience of your home. To get started, launch the My EyeQue app. Next, sign into your family member's individual profile. Attach the Insight goggles to your smartphone. The Insight test is gamified and fun for the whole family. Your child just follows the on-screen prompts.
Hey, look in the goggles. Can you see me? Hello out there.
And in a couple of minutes, you'll know who's seeing clearly or whose vision may need to be corrected with eyeglasses. You can also test how well your current glasses are performing. And kids loved Seymour, the animated host, and his rewards.
And now, your new sticker. Let's take a look.
Insight test results are automatically captured and stored in the secure EyeQue cloud, so you can access your account from anywhere. This makes it easy to track changes in your family's vision and share that information with your eye doctor. EyeQue Insight, the most accurate 20/20 visual acuity test on your smartphone. A great way to make vision care a priority for you and your family.